He said, let me get this right in here.
Ashanti was Andrew had him.
She's trying to pick that shot.
And he had that look. He had that look. Look it. I told you it wasn't in there.
Mommy was like, oh shit.
I couldn't even look at him.
Ashanti, give me a plate.
I thought so, Mom. Why'd you find it? I want Ashanti to look stupid.
I told you, dude. No, because Lily knows
she was like, damn, it's not, Mom. And then she found it, like, ah! Stupid.
No, I guess you really
because Lily knows. I'm like, damn, Lily, you gonna stare me in the wrong direction?
No, because I know I put it yesterday in the pot.
Yeah.
And I said I was telling Brianna, I was like, damn, this whole steak, nobody even ate it.
I thought Humphrey was being lazy and didn't want to make it.
No, I did look and look in the pot under the pot.
I thought he was being lazy.
Didn't look enough.
And it's fully cooked.
And it's not raw, so he doesn't have to go touch the cow to make it.
Oh, boy.
She doesn't have to do anything. Just don't dog that steak up.
What? Why? You want some?
Yeah.
Toby, I know you want some after all.
I'm telling you, man. Ever since these like
Be particular.
Yeah, I'm trying to watch it.
Yeah. Oh gosh, I know.
You want some of that before?
I'm gonna have I think I had a burger the other day, but that was one.
And like Brian's saying, as long as you work off like what you're putting into your body and try to even have an even balance of, workout and not fast food, but
that's what I'm telling Angel. I'd fly to the gym in the morning when it's fun.
I know.